people who want to get results, one of the key factors in getting any result in life is commitment and consistency. Okay. प्रॉब्लम लोगों के साथ ये होती है, दे टॉक अबाउट मोटिवेशन, और ये हमारे यहाँ जितना अनफॉर्चुनेटली मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स ने सत्यानाश किया इस कॉम का. You don't need motivation, you need action, committed consistent action. यानी फर्स्ट करो, and just think about this. हमारे यहाँ कितनी माएँ हैं जो रोजाना सुबह उठती हैं, अपने बच्चों को तैयार करती हैं, नाश्ता तैयार करती हैं, शौहर के कपड़े इस्त्री करती हैं, शौहर के लिए नाश्ता तैयार करती हैं, घर का काम करती हैं. With or without any motivation, they do it. Have you ever heard a mother saying, I'm not motivated, so I'll not, feed my child today? I'm not feeling motivated, so आज मैं बच्चों को तैयार नहीं कराऊंगी. I'm not feeling motivated, so I'll not do it. You will not hear that. She does it even though she's not motivated. She does it even though it's difficult. She does it even though she has not slept last night. She does it even though she's not feeling well. She does it even though it's very cold. She does it even though it's very hot. She does it even though there was no electricity during the night. She does her job in spite of all the challenges. She doesn't need a motivational speaker to boost her up to take action. And that's how we find mothers raise their children. So this idea that I'm not motivated, that's motivation is an excuse of people who fail. Motivation is not a requirement for success. Action is. And action with commitment. No action, no results. That's the bottom line. Okay. So you make sure that you stay committed. Without commitment, nothing happens.